In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, senior all-party Security Conference leaders Mirwais Umar Farooq and Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar have said that the Modi regime is conspiring to eliminate Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front chairman Mohammad Yasin Malik through its pliant judiciary. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mirwais Umar Farooq and Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in their separate statements in Srinagar, termed the India's infamous National Investigative Agency's move to seek death sentence to Mohammad Yasin Malik as a deliberate attempt to provoke the Kashmiri people. They appealed to the United Nations International Committee of Red Cross and other human rights organizations to come forward and save Yasin Malik from Hindutva terrorism. Mirwais Umar Farooq, who has been under house arrest in Srinagar, urged the all political parties and the people of India to exert pressure on the Modi regime to release all illegal detained Kashmiri political detainees, including Mohammad Yasin Malik. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar said Indian-based courts are functioning under the influence of Hindutva regime and are victimizing Kashmiris for demanding their birthright to self-determination. He said seeking capital punishment for Yasin Malik is a deep-rooted conspiracy aimed at carrying out the judicial murder of another popular Kashmiri leader. Earlier, he added, New Delhi has executed prominent Kashmiri martyrs Muhammad Maqbool Butt and Muhammad Afzal Guru by using its judiciary. Jammu and Kashmir Liberation Front, in a statement, denounced some BJP pawns in occupied Kashmir for favoring the NIA's move against Mohammad Yasin Malik. The JKLF urged the United States, the United Kingdom and European Union to shun the politics of hypocrisy and prevail upon New Delhi to refrain from victimizing the Kashmiri freedom leader. Meanwhile, the G20's Tourism Working Group, which concluded its three-day meeting in the Srinagar, sparked an intense battle of optics between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his global detractors. A Kashmiri journalist embedded with the foreign publication cautioned the absence of Kashmiri voice and the lack of debate on every hardship. Some members of the civil society endorsed this viewpoint. Bashir Ridi, a senior leader from the National Conference, criticized the meeting as another PR gimmick by the Modi government to project normalcy and democracy to the world.